Old Man here, and we're about to take the 620 PW and cut down the rest of the stump. Coming right up. We got the new Echo CS-620 PW, and I'm going to get ready to cut down the rest of this stump here. If you remember from a previous video, this was the tree that landed in between the Ys over here, and we finally got that one down, as you saw. But the remaining thing was the stump, and my existing 16-inch saw, which was the CS-355T, is not big enough to take this one down. It's just a little bit larger than what I wanted to. And plus we got some other bigger trees to take down also. So I decided to go with this one, 27-inch bar on it, and we're going to start it up and we're going to do the first cut on it. We've got gas and oil in it, and then just going to do a couple of chops, and then I'm going to let Alex take over and he's going to do a couple of chops, and then we're going to cut it right at the base here and then kill off the trunk after that. So let's do it. I love the full handle on it. Alright, here we go. Awesome. All right, we're going to do one more. This is a heavy saw, man. I love the full handle, though. You can just grab it from inside. In fact, I'm going to do this one left-handed. Awesome. All right, what we've decided to do here is I wanted to give you a helmet cam shot of how the saw works against the trunk here. You just saw me take these two out here, but we're going to do it again here, this time from the helmet cam view. So let's see what that looks like. There you have it. Pretty awesome. All right, Alex is getting ready to try the saw out here. He's putting on my Protos helmet. Looks pretty good in it. Yeah, that's a little different in how that connects. You don't have to connect that if you don't want to. All right, so yeah, he's going to try it out. So let's see what he does. You want to try it opposite hand? Yeah. He's going to switch hands now because it's got the full wrap on it. Very nice. You can see the chain is starting to loosen up a little too. It's starting to get broken in. So we're going to tighten it up here so it gets tight to the bar again. But man, it just cut through that really, really quick. So really happy with that. So the next cut Alex is going to do is probably going to be the last cut. He's going to try to get it as close to the ground as possible. And then we'll come back through here and try to kill that stump off. But we want to get it out of the yard so it's not such an eyesore for the yard. But we still got to get that stump out eventually. So stay tuned. So Alex is going to cut this right at the base here. We've got the helmet cam on him, and he's going to try to keep the saw as level as he can as he comes across. He's going to put the dogs into the side here and try to keep that blade going against the keep the blade going against the wood and just kind of rotate it in. And we're just going to do a clean cut all the way across, and then that will be the end of this stump. So take it away, Alex. There you go. That worked. You were like 95% of the way. Actually, you were all the way through. You just had to get, it was just the bark. That was awesome.
Did not seem that way.
Nope.
I got you a chair now.
That's right, yeah. All right, so you saw how clean that cut it through. That's fantastic. Got a little stuck at the end here, but it was really, I mean, he cut all the way through, as you can see here. It's just the bark holding it on, and it just wouldn't go any further. So normally we probably wouldn't do it at that. We'd probably find another way to chop that up, but just wanted to show the power of the saw. It worked absolutely fantastic, and now the stump's gone. So we'll probably go through here and try to kill this off with salt and let time take care of it, and then go from there. So pretty awesome. All right, there it is, the Echo CS-620PW full wrap chainsaw. I've got the 27-inch bar on it. It normally comes with the 24-inch bar, but got the 27 on there. Works fantastic. And we just cut all those stumps down. My final review on this one so far and testing it: great saw, lots of power, more than I'm probably ever going to need, but always good to have, because you can see some of these trees over here are pretty big in diameter, and once they start coming down, they're going to need a saw like that. So we're going to close this one out. Hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this cutting ceremony, and we'll see you at the next one. So until next time, peace out.